It's demo day!
Yay!
Hey everybody, it's Demo Jake here with our epoxy table that we made this week here at Runyon. We're going to share with you some helpful information that can help you guys get this done right the first time.
Step 1. Build a sturdy frame. Coat the frame in mold release or epoxy tape so the epoxy does not stick to the form. Step 2. Add epoxy pigment to part A of Key Resin epoxy kit and mix thoroughly. Step 3. Mix part B into part A of Key Resin epoxy kit in a ratio of 2 parts A to 1 part B. Mix in small batches, unlike what we did. Step 4. Pour mixture into the frame and use a torch to get out all of those pesky bubbles. A little reminder, please use clamps to hold wood pieces in place. The designs are limitless, so get creative with it. Step 5. Sand off extra epoxy until you've achieved an even surface.
Stunning!
Step 6. Apply epoxy clear coat. Use a paintbrush to spread out epoxy and to get the sides. The clear coat consists of Key Resin kit, 2 parts A to 1 part B, with no pigment added. Let the epoxy dry for 24 hours. Overall, what we've learned. Number 1, clamp down wood pieces to stay in place. Loosen once epoxy begins to harden. Number 2, use mold release or epoxy tape to cover the form so epoxy does not stick to the frame. Saves time and a lot of work. Number 3, use torch, not heat gun. The torch is way more efficient at popping air bubbles. Number 4, do your research on your specific epoxy. Pouring into layers is necessary for most epoxies to not overheat and crack.